Just Ali Fari joining us now. Yeah, just a few days away, for hurricane season.
You heard in Miranda's story. This is a couple of weeks away, 2 to be exact. But now is the time that you need to have that plan in place. You need to make sure you talk with your friends and family, especially if you're going to have to relocate or leave in the event of evacuation. All those tips on 10tampabay.com. Technically, it begins on June 1st, but as you've heard us say several times, there has been a named storm forming in the tropics before the official start over the last 7 years. That is what our records have been showing already. So we're going to be watching out very closely for that easily leading up through June 1st. But even thereafter, a long season ahead all the way through November 30th. The first name on the list of any type of tropical development would be Alex. Then we're going to go on from there for our 2022 names. Again, head on over to 10tampabay.com. We are literally going to guide you along the entire 6-month window through this season. Tonight, we are looking at mild conditions, staying pretty partly cloudy through the evening hours. Armature Works weather camera showing a beautiful downtown Tampa, also a very warm one. It feels like 87 degrees at 11 o'clock at night in downtown right now, 80 on the dot in St. Pete. But we're seeing a lot of mid-70s in our inland locations, and that's where some of that rain-cooled air was holding on just a little bit longer earlier this evening. Overnight, though, we're going to keep the radar nice and quiet, partly cloudy skies, temperatures falling into the 70s by the time you wake up tomorrow morning. I wouldn't be surprised with a little bit of early morning patchy fog in some locations, but take advantage of the mild temperature in the morning hours, because by the afternoon, I think we're going to see a lot of upper 80s, lower 90s on the map, even warmer than that through our inland locations. Technically, tomorrow is going to bring just a tiny bit of drier air overhead, so any showers or storms that try to fire up will mainly happen inland, and then they'll fizzle out. But it's really going to be going into the second half of Friday through Saturday, even lingering into parts of your Sunday. That's when this surge of tropical moisture is going to push out all of that drier air that's been keeping rain chances pretty isolated lately. It will surge all through the state, and this is what's going to allow us to see more widespread, possibly numerous showers and storms, and some of them could be even heavy at times. So let's walk you through this hour by hour as of our latest futurecast. Again, overnight, partly cloudy skies, mild start, very isolated rain chances trying to push inland by the second half of tomorrow. Thursday is going to be a very low chance of rain. Let me take you through Friday because it's a quiet start. From the south all the way through the north, look at all that moisture that starts to fire up, and that's by the afternoon. Let me take you through Friday evening. Still swaths of rain pushing through. That is that 60% chance that you'll see some of those passing downpours from time to time, maybe even some strong thunderstorms associated with that. That's now looking to linger into parts of your Saturday as well. Is the weekend going to be an entire washout? No, I don't think so. I don't think it's going to be all day long, both on Saturday and Sunday, but I will tell you there will be parts of the weekend when we have those stronger storms or those heavier downpours. You're going to have to bring your plans indoors. Otherwise, feeling a lot more like summer, even going into next week.